I am studying class second. I am going to say about gratitude letter. It is the answer said that one person class is another person letter. What makes you like this? Are this to one person? It may be valuable to another. This is the foundation of the recycling industry where discarded materials are turned into new products. Thank you. Have a peaceful Nanamade. Is to waste impact and use crayons to fill colors. Thank you. Have a peaceful Nanamade.
అంతేనా అయిపోయిందా?
Thank you.